Welcome back to English Grammar Tales. Today, Daniel and Lily are at the airport. They are flying to Rome for their holiday. Watch them check in, go through security, and board their plane. You will learn lots of useful English phrases. Let's go. Daniel and Lily arrive at the airport early in the morning. They look up at the departure board to find their flight.
Lily, look, our flight to Rome is on time. It departs at 11 o'clock. We have got plenty of time.
Oh, I'm so excited! I've never been to Italy before. I can't wait to see the Colosseum and eat real Italian pizza.
I've always wanted to visit Rome. The food, the history, the sunshine. It's going to be absolutely brilliant.
Right then, let's find the check-in desk before the queue gets too long. Have you got the passports, Daniel?
Of course I have. Do you think I would forget the passports? Although I must admit, I did forget them once back in 2015.
Don't remind me. We missed the entire flight. Come on, let's go before it happens again.
They find the check-in desk and join the queue. The agent greets them with a cheerful smile.
Good morning. Could I have your passports and booking reference, please?
Of course. Here you are. We also have one suitcase each to check in, please.
Lovely, thank you. Could you place your luggage on the scale for me?
Oh, Daniel, I do hope my suitcase is not overweight. I may have packed 1 or 2 extra pairs of shoes.
1 or 2? Lily, I could hardly lift that suitcase this morning.
Not to worry. You're both just within the weight limit. Here are your boarding passes. You are seated in row 12, seats A and B.
Brilliant. Which gate are we departing from, please?
Gate 19. Boarding starts at 10:30. Have a wonderful flight to Rome.
Thank you so much. You've been ever so helpful.
Daniel and Lily head to the security area. A security officer gives them instructions.
Good morning. Please remove your laptops, liquids, and jackets and place them in the tray.
Of course. Do I need to take my belt and shoes off as well?
Yes, please. Then walk through the scanner when you are ready. Oh no, Daniel. I've left my water bottle in my bag. I completely forgot about it. I'm afraid liquids over 100 milliliters are not permitted through security. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'll throw it away right now. It won't happen again, I promise. No problem at all. Please collect your belongings on the other side and enjoy your trip.
Daniel and Lily pass through security and make their way to gate 19. They have 30 minutes before boarding begins.
Right, we have a bit of time. Shall we grab a coffee and a sandwich before we board?
Yes, please. I'm absolutely starving. I was so excited this morning I completely forgot to eat any breakfast.
You're always the same when we travel. Do you remember the ferry to France? You were so nervous you dropped your ticket in the sea.
Don't remind me. That was a terrible day. Right, I'm having a large coffee and a very big sandwich. Maybe 2.
They enjoy their coffee and snacks. A few minutes later, an announcement comes over the loudspeaker.
Lily, listen. They're calling our flight. It's time to board.
Already? Goodness. Have you got the boarding passes?
Yes, I've got everything. Come on, let's go.
Daniel and Lily join the boarding queue and hand their passes to the flight attendant at the gate.
Good morning. Could I see your boarding passes, please?
Here you are. Seats 12A and B.
Perfect, thank you. Welcome aboard. Enjoy your flight to Rome. Oh, Daniel, I still can't believe we're actually going to Rome. I'm absolutely over the moon.
Me too. And this time, please try not to talk to me during takeoff. You know I get a little nervous.
You get nervous? You just told me off for being nervous at the gate.
That's completely different and you know it.
And with that, Daniel and Lily buckle up and get ready for takeoff. Today you have learned how to check in, go through security, and board a plane in English. Practice these phrases with a friend. Like, subscribe, and share English Grammar Tales. See you next time.